If you want to learn how to punch in Audacity, this video will walk you through the full process step by step so you can fix mistakes cleanly without re-recording an entire track. Punching in is one of the easiest ways to replace a small section of audio while keeping the rest of your recording intact. And once you know how to set it up properly, it can save you a lot of time during editing. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Audacity tips and audio editing guides. Let's get started. First, open Audacity and make sure your project is loaded. Before you punch in, you want to adjust the pre-roll time so you have enough audio playing before the correction begins. This helps you hear the flow, match your timing, and naturally blend into the existing recording. To do that, click the Edit menu at the top of the screen, then click Preferences. In the Preferences window, look to the left sidebar and click Recording. Now scroll down until you find the Punch and Roll section. Here, you'll see a box labeled Pre-Roll Duration. Click inside that box and type in a new number based on how much audio you want to hear before the punch-in starts. For example, you might want a few seconds of lead-in so you can hear the rhythm and match your voice more accurately. Once you've entered the number you want, click OK to save your settings. Now that your pre-roll time is set, go back to your waveform and find the exact spot where the mistake begins. This is very important because the punch-in will start from the point you select. Click directly on the waveform at the location where you want the new audio to begin. Try to be as precise as possible so the replacement sounds seamless. After placing your cursor, press Shift and the letter D on your keyboard. In Audacity, this will trigger the punch and roll behavior. Audacity will play back the 5 seconds of audio before your cursor, which gives you time to hear the lead-in and prepare your voice. As the audio plays, speak along with it and match your tone, pacing, and energy so the transition feels natural. When the playback reaches your selected spot, recording will automatically begin. At that moment, start delivering the corrected line or section clearly and confidently. Keep your timing steady and focus on sounding like the original take because the goal is for the repair to blend in smoothly. Once you've finished recording the corrected section, press the spacebar to stop. Audacity will stop the recording, and you can immediately listen back to make sure the punch-in sounds clean and consistent. If the transition needs a little smoothing, you can zoom in and make small edits afterward, but in many cases, a properly done punch-in will sound natural right away. That's really the beauty of this feature. Instead of re-recording a whole paragraph or starting over from the top, you can repair only the part that needs fixing and keep moving. So to quickly recap, adjust your pre-roll time in Preferences. Click the waveform where the mistake begins. Press Shift plus D. Listen to the lead-in. Speak with the playback, and let Audacity automatically begin recording at the selected point. Then press the spacebar when you're done. And that's how to punch in Audacity. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Audacity tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.